Hello friends, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is our series of 1300 previous year questions of biology is going on, and this is our day 3, and here we will discuss question number 51 to 75. So let's begin friends. These are my credentials. Question number 51. Endoscope is an instrument used to detect the ulcers in stomach. Has a long narrow tube with a small glowing bulb at one end which is inserted into the stomach through the mouth. Contains A small current carrying wire, B a narrow tube containing water, C optical fiber, D a narrow tube containing some chemical solution. So answer for this question is optical fiber. So friends, endoscope has a bundle of optical fibers which are used with lenses to see inside the patient body, and where it sees the ulcer or other element in your body. So light is directed by these optical fibers in patient. So answer D is correct. C is correct. Optical fiber is present in the endoscope. Question number 52. When a single gene controls the expression of more than one character, it is said to be heterotropic, autotrophs, allotropic, pleiotropic. The answer is D. Friends, pleiotropic means single gene control the expression of two or more than two phenotypic traits. For example, testosterone controls secondary sexual characteristic as well as behavior trait like aggression in men. Thus, gene that control the level of testosterone would have pleiotropic expression. So testosterone gene is a pleiotropic expression. Now question number 53. The plant which grow well only in light are known as xerophilous, xerophytes, heliophytes, epiphytes. So answer C is correct. Heliophytes refers to the plant that grow in bright sunlight, while those growing in a shade areas known as xerophytes. Example है friends heliophytes के maize, sunflower, sugarcane are best example of heliophytes. They grow in bright sunlight. Now question number 54. Food crops comprises cotton, tobacco, sugarcane, linseed, castor, turmeric, C food grains, pulses, edible oil seeds, D jute, cotton, chilies. So friends, food crops are any agriculture product that can be eaten. So here answer is C. Food grains, pulses, edible oil seed. The three are eatables. So answer C is correct. Now question number 55. The pancreas secrete A insulin, bile juices, peptic juices, none of the above. So friends, pancreas is a gland inside our body. It secrete insulin as well as glucagon hormone, so they can control the blood sugar level of the man. So answer A is correct. Pancreas secretes insulin. Now question number 56. Thinner particle responsible for deteriorating the air quality resulting in damage of vital body organs are referred as PM 15.5, 10.5, 2.5, 20.5. So answer C is correct here friends. So PM 2.5, it is a very tiny particle and that is present in our air, and this is 2.5 micron in width, and they can also travel deep into the respiratory tract and can reach inside the lung. So its short term exposure causes the runny nose, irritation, coughing, sneezing and shortness of the breath, but sometime long exposure of these particle causes asthma and heart disease. So it's very dangerous particulate matter. 2.5. So answer 2.5 is correct. Question number 57. An example of protein which act as a hormone. Trypsin, no, it is an enzyme, and keratin is a protein which is present on our hair and claws and hooves, and oxytocin is a protein. So oxytocin stimulate contraction in female during childbirth, and casein is a protein which is present in milk. The primary producer in an ecosystem is woman, man, plant, bacteria. So answer C is correct. Plant is a primary producer, and primary producers are the organism which produce the biomass from inorganic compounds. So best example is a plant and some unicellular organisms. So answer C is correct. Question number 59. Some of the ingredients required for bread making are maida and yeast, maida and baking powder, maida and baking soda, maida and ghee. So answer A is correct. Maida and yeast. Yeast actually play an important role in bread baking because friends, it ferments and grow well when combined with the food, and CO2 which is produced due to this fermentation trapped inside the dough as a tiny air bubbles, and that make a bread rise during cooking and give it a characteristic texture. So yeast is very important labeling agent in the bread making. So answer A is correct. Now question number 60. Which of the following hormone is called as emergency hormone? So friends, मैं आपको बता दूं, एड्रेनलिन इज ऑफ हमेशा इसे इमरजेंसी हार्मोन ही रेफर करते हैं बिकॉज दे आर रिलीज्ड व्हेन ए पर्सन फील्स एक्साइटेड. So it's give energy to the person. So adrenaline is a emergency hormone. So answer A is correct. Malaria is transmitted from one person to another by Aedes mosquito, Culex mosquito, Anopheles mosquito. तो सबको पता है हमें friends, malaria is caused by the Anopheles mosquito. Answer C is correct. Now question number 62. Liver is a rich source of sugar, fat, soluble vitamins, minerals and protein. So friends, मैं आपको बता दूँ, liver is a good source of vitamin A, iron, zinc, copper and manganese, as well as it's a good source of protein. But they didn't mention any specific mineral, so we take on protein. It's a rich source of protein. Now question number 63. Cuscuta is a saprophyte, epiphyte, xerophyte, parasite. So answer D is correct. It is a parasite and Cuscuta is also known as dodder plant. The number of eggs normally released during one menstrual cycle is 3, 2, 1, 4. So answer 1 is correct. 65. The animal that do not develop hypertension in spite of heavy intake of salt. So इसका example है D, camel. इसका option D is correct, camel. The daily salt intake of camel is 8 times higher than of a typical cow or sheep. Still they don't develop any high blood pressure, and similarly their blood sugar level are also twice those of other cud chewing animal. Still camels do not develop any diabetic disease. So answer D is correct, camel. Now question number 66. The pollutant which move downward with percolating groundwater are called leachates. So friends, मैं आपको बता दूँ, a solution which is obtained by leaching is called as leachates. So it is very harmful and poisonous for the environment. So answer A is correct. Now question number 67. Lungs are located in abdominal, pericardial, peritoneal, pleural cavity. So answer D is correct. Lungs are located in our pleural cavity. Now question number 68. Which of the following is the ideal food for the newborn babies? So friends, we all know that mother milk is the ideal food for the newborn babies. So answer D is correct, milk. Now question number 69. Transcription means the synthesis of. तो friends, मैं आपको बता दूँ, transcription means RNA synthesis, translation means protein synthesis, and replication means DNA synthesis. So transcription means RNA synthesis. D is correct. Now question number 70. Hydrochloric acid is secreted by the cell linings the oral cavity, ileum, stomach, colon. तो friends, मैं आपको बता दूँ, HCl is secreted by the chief cell which is present in our stomach. It is used to activate enzyme like pepsinogen into pepsine so that pepsine can digest our protein in the stomach. So answer B is correct. Hydrochloric acid is secreted by the chief cell which is present in stomach. So answer B is correct. Now question number 71. Emulsification is breaking fats into small globules, digestion of fat, absorption of fat, storage of fat. So answer A is correct. Emulsification is a process by which large fat molecules or globules break down into the small globules. So answer A is correct. Emulsification is a breaking fat into small globules. Now question number 72. Taxonomy is a science that deals with morphology, anatomy, classification, economic uses. So answer C is correct. Taxonomy is a science that deals with the classification of organism, and this term you use in biology. Now question number 73. Blood pressure may be increased by the excess secretion of thyroxine, testosterone, estradiol, estrol. So answer A is correct. Thyroxine is a hormone. If secreted in excess amount, then it causes increase in heart rate, high BP, and sometimes causes heart failure. So BP is increased by thyroxine. A is correct here. Now question number 74. The outermost skin of the crustaceans are made up of a carbohydrate. This carbohydrate is cellulose, galactose, chitin, starch. So friends, crustaceans have a body that is covered with a protective shell composed of horny substance that is known as chitin. So answer C is correct here. Now question number 75. Now question number 75. The particulate matter PM10 exhaled from the polluted atmosphere is often filtered out during the process of coughing, sneezing, A and B urination. So friends, PM particulate matter which is larger than 10 or which is 10 micron meter in diameter tends to be filtered out in the nose and therefore do not enter into the respiratory tract, and they can be filtered out by sneezing process. So answer B is correct here. So friends, we are stopping our video here, and in next video we will discuss question number 76 to 100. So thanks friends. Stay tuned with my channel for the updates of video. So thanks.